Taking the name of Lord Ganesh, we started our journey for scuba diving. I am not expecting any Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara viewing experience of blue water, colorful fishes and corals. But yes, I was excited for whatever experience I am going to gain. First of all, swimmers and non-swimmers both can attempt scuba dive comfortably. The sky was cloudy and the water was cool. Everybody was enjoying the boat ride. There were 19 people on the board and everyone was experiencing the scuba dive for the first time, and it is going to be a thrilling experience for sure. The booking of scuba diving can be done at various locations in Malvan. There are a lot of vendors who take the booking for this ride. But the boat ride starts from Malvan only, and scuba diving is done near the Sindhudurg fort. Pregnant women, heart patients and kids below 8 are advised not to do the scuba diving. The trainers are getting things ready for safe diving experience. Lot depends upon them how do you get the experience. And mind you, whatever instructions they do give you, you need to follow.
अभी जो एक्टिविटी अपनी वो स्कूबा डाइविंग की एक्टिविटी, ओके। स्कूबा के एक्टिविटी में ये देखो, ये गॉगल पहनाया जाता है, इसको मास्क बोलते हैं, ओके। ये मास्क पहनने के बाद ये नाक का पोर्शन दिख रहा है सबको, ये नाक के पोर्शन से नाक अपना कम्प्लीटली बंद होता है। तो अपने को सांस कैसे लेनी है, मुंह से सांस लेनी है, ओके। ये कैसा बंद होता है जरा देखो। ये देखो, मास्क पहनने के बाद पूरा नाक कम्प्लीटली बंद होता है, ओके। तो अपने को मुंह से सांस लेनी है। मुंह से सांस कैसे लेनी है, नॉर्मली अपने को सर्दी होने के बाद अपन मुंह से सांस लेते हैं, बरोबर ना, सेम वैसी लेनी है।
इकडे बघ काय सांगते बोल।
ये देखो, ये पोर्शन तो रेगुलर है, इससे हमको सांस मतलब ऑक्सीजन प्रोवाइड होगा, ओके। अब ये मुंह में कैसा होल्ड करना है वो जरा ध्यान से देखो। ये छोटे रबर्स दिख रहे हैं आपको, ये लाइन देखो, ये छोटे रबर्स, ये लाइन देखो, ये छोटे रबर्स है ना, ये दांत में अपने को बाइट करने हैं, हल्के हल्के बाइट करने हैं। हल्के हल्के मतलब इतना भी हल्का नहीं और इतना भी स्ट्रॉन्ग भी नहीं, मतलब ये मुंह में होल्ड होना चाहिए एक जगह पे, उतना मतलब उस हिसाब से अपने को ये बाइट करने हैं। बाइट करने के बाद जो अपने लिप है वो ये पूरे कवर करने हैं, उसका सील करने हैं ऐसे पूरे, ओके। क्यों, पानी के नीचे अंदर पानी नहीं, मुंह में पानी नहीं जाना चाहिए, इसलिए वो पूरा सील करने हैं, ओके। और सांस कैसे खींचनी है, अपन स्ट्रॉ से जूस पीते ना, सेम वैसा अपने को सांस खींचने की है, वो ऑटोमेटिकली अंदर नहीं आएगी मुंह में, अपने को सांस खींचने की है। सांस खींचने के बाद वो मुंह में आएगी, ओके। छोड़ने का तरीका सेम है, वैसा छोड़ने का है। इन आउट करते टाइम लिप मूवमेंट नहीं करना है, लिप मूवमेंट किया तो पानी जाएगा मुंह में, तो लिप पूरे इधर कवर करने, इन आउट करते टाइम खींचने का है और छोड़ने का है, ओके।
बाइट करूनच ठेवायचं।
हाँ देखो, अभी मैं होल्ड करके दिखा रहा हूँ आपको। ब्रीथिंग लेते टाइम डीप ब्रीथ लेने की, धीरे धीरे छोड़ने की, डीप ब्रीथ लेने की, धीरे धीरे छोड़ने की, ओके। ऐसा नहीं करने का है, ऐसा करने के बाद आप पैनिक हो जाएंगे, आप राइड नहीं करेंगे। तो अपने को कैसे ब्रीथ लेनी है, डीप ब्रीथ लेनी है, धीरे धीरे छोड़नी है, ओके। अभी पानी में उतरने के बाद अपन बात नहीं कर सकते, तो साइन है, खाली याद रखो सिग्नल, दो सिग्नल है, दो सिग्नल याद रखो। ये कंफर्टेबल सिग्नल है, इसको क्या बोलते हैं, कंफर्टेबल सिग्नल। ये क्वेश्चन भी है और आंसर भी है। अब क्वेश्चन कैसा है, गाइड आपको पूछेगा कंफर्टेबल है क्या, कैसे पूछेगा, ये इससे पूछेगा कंफर्टेबल है क्या, और इसका आंसर क्या है, ये हाँ मैं कंफर्टेबल हूँ, ओके। तो ये क्वेश्चन भी है, आंसर भी है, ओके। और प्रॉब्लम साइन ये है, इसको अप साइन नहीं तो प्रॉब्लम साइन बोलते हैं, ओके। मतलब पानी के अंदर गए आप, कंफर्टेबल है, पानी के अंदर गए, कुछ प्रॉब्लम आया, मतलब मांस में पानी आया, मुंह में पानी आया, कान दुखने लगे प्रेशर से, तो अब सिग्नल दिखाने के बाद आप ऊपर आएंगे। फिर से आप मतलब ट्रेनिंग के टाइम आपको बोलेगा गाइड कंफर्टेबल है क्या, उस टाइम भी बोल सकते हैं बाबा नॉट कंफर्टेबल, मैं कंफर्टेबल नहीं हूँ, ओके। तो दोनों दो सिग्नल है, मतलब दो प्रॉब्लम एक साथ है, मतलब प्रॉब्लम भी है और ऊपर आने के लिए एक ही चूज करते हैं. ओके.
Everybody was excited till the instructions started. After the instructions, everyone were tensed, nervous, including me, whether they would be able to do it or not. I had opted for deep diving, therefore, I got to have this swimsuit, and it helped me a lot during the dive. Others were diving with the attire they had wore. The tension could be seen in everyone's face. All eyes were glued upon me as I was the first diver. So I was getting ready for my diving experience. You pay rupees 500 for regular dive with video shoot of 25 seconds. You pay additional rupees 500 for deep dive with video shoot of 45 seconds. So I had paid 1000 rupees for deep diving. Normal scuba dive is performed up to a depth of 2 meter, while deep diving is done between 3 meter and 12 meter depending upon the comfort level of the diver. So the heart was pumping at the speed of light, and I was very fanatic about getting into the water for this particular experience. Here you can also do nighttime diving. The price starts from 1500 as lot of things depend upon weather and sea conditions. Once you have climbed the ladder, it is considered that you have attempted the dive even if you are cancelling the dive thereafter. You won't get any refund. But if you cancel the dive before climbing the ladder, then a charge of 300 is deducted as you have done the boat ride. So now I have climbed down the ladder, so no question of returning back. I could feel the water touching my entire body. Whew. So the trainer came to me and he put on the necessary jacket along with the equipments to get me ready for the scuba dive. When you are on the water surface, at that time you could feel the weight on your shoulders of the equipments. But once you get down into the deep sea, you are not noticing the weight you are carrying on your shoulders. So the trainer is now testing the equipments on my shoulders, and he is now going to train me to start my exploration for the scuba dive. For the deep diving experience, the scuba dive is going to last for about 10 to 12 minutes, while for the normal diving experience, it is going to last for 5 minutes. So the trainer had instructed me to keep my both hands on my tummy. This is because the trainer needs to guide you at ease. If you have your hands free, then you might tend to get panic and it will create unnecessary hurdles for you and the trainer. So it is better you keep your hands tied onto the tummy. Now here the trainer is training me how to hold the mouthpiece, and he is telling me how to breathe. This is the first time experience, everyone. Here the oxygen regulator is put into my mouth and I am getting trained how to breathe through that regulator. And it is a very tense moment. We really had to adapt to this particular exercise very soon as other peoples are in queue. And once the trainer puts your head down into the sea, oof, there we go. So once you are done with the scuba dive, you need to take your video by looking at this particular token number in that video. And even if you do the deep diving, this is the only video which you are going to get. There is no another video of deep diving been made by the trainers. So while reaching to this particular point, you get across lot of fishes coming in front of you and going away. It's a fabulous and no words can describe the experience. You yourself have to come over here and get that experience. This was once in a lifetime experience, and I'm eager to look more into it, to the well-known destinations of scuba dive such as Andaman and Maldives. There were a lot of fishes on the route to the coral point, but as I was not carrying my camera into the sea, I couldn't capture those fishes. I can only capture the fishes which the scuba dive trainer can. So here it is Mrs. J. She is saying she is comfortable with her symbol, but now she is feeling not comfortable. So she is panicking and she is saying, no, I want to go up. And the trainer then takes her up immediately. She was just a few centimeters away from the corals. So there were 19 people on board and only 11 people could attempt it successfully. Out of remaining 8, 2 did not climb the ladder. Remaining 6 people got into the water, but as soon as their heads were turned down into the water, they were afraid and they gave up. So it's fine even if you're not able to get into scuba dive. Absolutely fine. Your life is most important thing than doing a daring act against your comfortable will. So how did you find this detailed explanation of scuba dive? Did you liked it? If you have liked this video, click on the like button, share as much as you can, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe it. And if you want to know more about Malvan and the surrounding area, do check out the video made on the same, and the link to that particular video is shared in the description box. Do check it out, you will like it. So, till our next exploration, take care, goodbye from Mr. J, the Explorer, the YouTube channel. See you soon. Bye bye.